We recently had a D11T come in from New South Wales for a full overhaul of every component. We stripped it all down to a bare chassis, NDT'd for cracks, ultrasonicked every pin, got everything back up to OEM spec and started to reassemble. All major components were rebuilt here on site: engine, transmission, torque converter, the final drives, the scab group, all in our facility here at Nambour. The D11 has around 850 horsepower. It has an operating weight of around 113 tonnes. The height of the dozer is about 4.5 metres. We used our new track press here on site at Nambour and our cylinder bench to rebuild all the cylinders. All the undercarriage and track frames were all rebuilt in-house, and the laser was used to clean up all the smaller components before they were painted and fitted back to the machine. The benefit to the client rebuilding in-house is that we have a lot of parts and components for these bulldozers on site that we can rebuild in a cost-effective way. The cost saving that we save on a rebuilt machine rather than buying brand new is around the 40% mark. We ensured quality control by following all OEM procedures and specifications to rebuild all components, getting them all up to factory spec. It's a big opportunity here and what we can do at this facility here at Mackellar.